Oh, you have to keep her up so she can walk. Don't look at the camera, look at Rivka. Okay, hold her hand.
Take a picture. Do a picture. Do a picture.
I'm taking a video. I'm taking a video with this camera. Okay, can you turn around?
Now you're gonna watch this one.
Maybe she's finished.
Now Mira, don't hold down. I want to see if you can walk.
Yeah, you're in the picture. Yeah, I'm not sure that she's so happy. Okay.